Hi guys, I just did a charity shop video where I showed you I bought this MiBro, as it's actually called. I mentioned that I bought one a few months back. Didn't have a controller with it, and I ended up just taking it apart for the component parts. But today, I actually found one with the controller for £5. Looked back at my original video and I had a link on there for downloading the PDF file of the instructions, but that link didn't work. So I did a bit of searching and found another link that does work. So on the screen in front of me is the instructions. So I thought I'd just step through them. The one that I won't use is that button, which is where it goes away and does its own little dance, and it will shoot off the table when we do that. What we will do is we'll switch it on. You can have it on 1 or 2. I assume that's so you can have 2 of them running together because you can play football with them.
Yo, what's up?
Put this one to 1 as well. So forwards towards us, backwards, left, right. So all that works. So say that one, it goes away and does a little dance, which is, I'll try and start it and stop it. Yeah, I do that again. Yeah. Off the table. Okay, so that's what it does with that button. Next button is the sound effects. In the current position, what does it call them? Gross or something. Gross mode, yeah, which is basically farts. Oh, and burps. Okay, middle position is for using the weapon. Oh, in the previous video, I wasn't quite sure whether the arms moved.
Buddy, you're driving. Let's roll.
Whether the arms moved automatically or not, but they don't. You just have to push them in position. If you don't do anything, it starts moaning at you. Anyway, middle position.
Yeah. Get your hands up, you dirty virus.
Yeah, that looks like that's 3 different sounds. And then the right hand one is supposed to be for when you're playing football with it.
Yo, what's with the silent treatment? I'm number 1. I'm number 1. Now that's what I call teamwork.
You have to cycle through them, so you can't actually choose the sound you want.
I'm number 1. I'm number 1.
Okay, so that's that. The next thing is you can speak into it. If you press that button, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can change your voice. So, oh, wrong button. Right, that button for talking. What I think I'll do is I'll put my wireless microphone next to it, face the other way, and try talking so we can hear the different voice settings. So at the moment it's on, what do they call that one? Helium voice, high pitched. Middle one is robot voice, and the left one is normal voice. So,
who's our first victim?
Yeah, he gets annoyed if you don't do anything. Right, I'll put my microphone next to him and I'll say hello in the 3 different voices.
Hey, I'm resting over here.
Can we hear me talking? 1, 2, 1, 2. This is normal voice. Now we're in robot voice.
Now we're in helium voice.
I've no idea how that will have sounded. I'll have to wait till I play it back to find out. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, the last button is to listen. So somebody talks.
Hey, let's have some fun.
Somebody talks into it, and you should be able to hear them. I assume that's the speaker there. And oh, there's one other thing that we can do. If we hold that button in, we can now change the volume. So that's quieter. And then go the other way. That's maximum volume. Sound.
Now that's what I call teamwork.
Okay. Hold the button in. Turn it down to quiet. Yeah, much quieter.
Okay, let's get sneaky.
Oh, didn't hold it in long enough. Right, that's louder again.
I'm number 1. I'm number 1. Now that's what I call teamwork.
Yeah, well, that's it. That's gone through all the different features. Oh, there was one other thing that we didn't get when I bought it, is a net, a goalpost, a net. As I say, you're supposed to play football with it, so you can chase a ball around with it and try and push it into the net. And the other use of the net is you can attach it to his hands when they're up there.
Okay, buddy, you're driving. Let's roll.
Just shut him up for a while. Attach the net up here and use him to carry things around for you. In fact, I'll just move the camera a second. That's what they're showing you just there. I'll stick them at the end of the video so you can see them. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.